Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome.
HLGS. We bring more
Now
nature to
we
you.
are in Koggala.
So today I hope to go with you to visit a beautiful villa in a beautiful location.
Can you guess where? It is
Villa KURULU Bay. Now I'm going to introduce you the mastermind behind this beautiful garden.
here with me, Mr. Sugat, landscape architect and garden constructor.
The owner of Hansi Landscaping and Garden Service. Hello sir, welcome.
Hello, welcome.
Very nice location. Where are we now?
It looks like a paradise. Can you tell us something about this location?
Yes, now we are in Sri Lanka down south, east border of the Koggala lake. Actually, this area is very beautiful place in down south. This village, Gurukanda, very nice garden inside. You already saw that. They are including 4 tree houses and 4 separate cottages. You can see 6 garden chalets. This all coming with the new construction, because I told you Mr. Malit wanted to develop like a hotel. So we recreate the garden, but we never change the plant concept, because everybody say to me this is very beautiful. I am very happy.
Who is your client?
Actually, I have here 2 clients, because 2 different histories. This is the very special property to my life, because I am starting first landscaping project in this property. At the moment I don't have big knowledge, but I have a choice. I want to be a landscaper. The first experience I take it from this property. I came 2002. You can think how I am old with the landscaping. I did a very small kitchen garden. Mrs. Renate and Mr. Bob built their own house. You can see there the houses. So after, in my memory, 2015, her sold the land to Mr. Malik, Shashat Malik. He has another different idea, because Mrs. Renate run this all property as her private house. No any guest, no any business. But after the buying this property, Mr. Shashat Malik, he developed like a hotel. But garden concept not change. So we increase the number of plant, and we develop also the garden with new construction.
Actually, this is a very beautiful and peaceful location situated in front of the Koggala lake. So come to visit Villa KURULU Bay. And according to me, he increased the value of this villa, his talent and creative landscaping ideas. So I want to know what was the condition of this garden when the project was taken over.
Actually, this land was like a little jungle. I am talking about maybe before 2000. It's a very simple land. There was some coconut plant, some trees already fallen down. So others some shrubs and bushes, because unmaintained land. The simple word is jungle. This location has small cottage. We reduce the low levels of the jungle plants, keep all the existing good trees, but remove the small jungles. The first step, we create like a little land, because we wanted to fill the land by the new planter beds. It should be a nice tropical plants. We have a problem with the erosions. We use natural plant for the controlling erode area and cover the ground, and some area is stone, some area ground cover ferns, some areas burial plant. There's no erosion.
see different levels and slope in this garden, but I didn't see a drain yet. What is the reason?
So water drain system all use natural ways. With the second stage project, we build the tree houses. This is a big soil embankment. So we take the levels very carefully without damage shape of the land, and we bring the water, the storm water, there to the beds. Finally, there's a very big hole. All the water we send to that, and additional water going to the lake. In this property, you cannot see the drain. Especially we monitoring without damage garden surface. All we arrange naturally. That's the special thing is there. No drain, but no damage.
This is the car park. When we talk about our other project, you use different method to prepare the car parks, and this is green. Which method did you use, and what are the benefits?
Actually, everywhere we are using interlock and rubbers and gravels and chip metals. That's the we are using normally for the car park area. Especially here, actually the eco green concept. That was a main concept in the project. So this client very much happy. He wanted to see the everywhere plant and grass. He asked from me, what can we do the car park? He doesn't like too much concrete because he has enough concrete with the building. Because I suggested, because I did earlier for the Lanka hotel similar one, I explained to him. So he 100% okay with the proposal because this is a very natural. They have more benefits, not staying water because very soft compaction. All the water stuck to the ground, protect the moisture. So otherwise we are planting the grass inside of the holes. So when the rain coming and the watering, the grass becoming green, no need to cut additional maintenance. When they run in the grass, all the grass trimmed by the fires. That's another benefit. So finally we can see the nice green car park.
What are the unforgettable experience with this project?
So actually we have a lot of experience, but I will tell you one. So I worked with Mrs. Renati because she was the previous owner and also the very close friend with Mr. Maris Sachat, the current owner. When we started the second stage construction, we wanted to trim first what we needed because all the trees overgrown. We have a lot of trimming here. So the second day, the 31st of the December in 2019, so I went to lunch. My crew and Mrs. Renate was there. She told to my crew, oh, one thing we forget, we want to trim again the lake border because it was like a hedge, but now it's overgrown. So when the villagers calling, fishermen calling, this is the Sudha cutting the trees, the foreigners cutting the trees. Past 5-10 minutes, full of the police jeep came to the property. Who is cutting? My crew take it to the police and put it in the jail. The OIC advised to me, your team celebrate the new year in the jail. But we explained, Mrs. Renate also joined with us, we explained the situation, this is not will happen again. We are not going to kill the mangroves. It was a trimming, but she did not know the law in Sri Lanka, but however did the wrong work. So fortunately the OIC was a very good gentleman. He warned to my team, you don't do like these things again and release the people. That is never forget.
This is the situation a few years after the landscape.
So do you think that you are able to fulfill the client's requirement?
Of course, because he is really happy with me. He has idea before the construction. I need like this, like this, like this, like about like this plant. The first time little bit critical. Now is the time all feel what he choice, what he like. I feel my side I did the best. He is very happy.
like,
comment,
and
subscribe us. Subscribe. Bye.